Dictionary. At dictionary. Sniffle generally refers to the action or sound of repeatedly inhaling through the nose, often due to having a cold, allergies, or emotional distress. It is typically associated with a runny or congested nose and may be accompanied by light sniffling noises as one tries to clear nasal passages or prevent mucus from dripping. The term can also describe the minor symptoms of a cold or respiratory issue, where one frequently sniffs to manage a slight nasal discharge. Sniffling is usually seen as a mild and common response to minor illnesses or emotional situations.